Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, we've got a TMG Classic in here today, the good old Copperhead 52. Now, this is going on my man Omar in the great state of Texas. Now, y'all know we love the great state of Texas. And now Omar's custom ordered this bad boy up, and you'll notice it is traditional flow. So typically here at TMG, we would build this reverse flow, but we will build them either way. Omar here wanted it reverse or traditional flow, so that's what we did for him. So we'll check her out here. Like I said, it's our Copperhead 52, so that's a 52-inch long smoke chamber. Now the Copperhead is our octagon smoke chamber design here, and there are a couple benefits to that, mainly being the volume. So you got increased volume, you also get increased room between the two grates and a little bit deeper top shelf. And you know at TMG, we love cooking on the top shelf. So definitely are some advantages to the octagon shape here. We've got our TMG Pits Tell True thermometers there, made in the USA, of course. Now we got the standard front shelf on here, paper towel, utensil holder, that's all included. He did add a cup holder over here on the left-hand side, hold your cold snack while you're smoking. And as you see, it is on our off-road package with some upgraded wheels and tires from our guys Mods, also in Texas. We appreciate y'all. And I come over here to the hot box. So this is our 30-inch hot box. 5 sliding trays in here, guys, 1,776 square inches of cook space. That's just because we love America. Now, what's nice about our hot box here is it runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. You'll be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. All sliding trays. You got a removable plate down on the bottom. You can get direct fire in here if you like to. We got guys doing wood-fired pizzas in there. Great for sides, chicken, ribs. I mean, really, I don't know what it's not great for, to be honest with you. But anyways, come around to the firebox. This is our standard 1/4-inch firebox. Does have our fire management cradle in there, as well as, oh, what is this? A TMG torch charcoal chimney available on the website, tmgpits.com. Lifetime warranty on this unit against burnout, guys. Now, if you run it over with your F250, I can't help you, but if you run it over and then burn it out, I got you. So, lifetime warranty. Throw that sucker back in there. D-ring tie-down points on all 4 corners, as well as it does have a fold-down stack on the front there. This unit is tall. You can fold that down, get it in and out of your garage. So guys, that is Omar's Copperhead 52 rolling out to the great state of Texas. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.